Alright, here's the results. My new meter. Check out my official Jacob Vial merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there.
Finna get retarded.
12.8 lowest. Thanks for watching. So you notice I lost a dB with me being in here, but still high 50s, and that's on dash. That's the update. So I figured to leave this video commentary at the end with showing the three scores as I showed at the beginning. The 60.01 was 41 Hertz, sealed on dash. The 61.5 was in the kick, window down, door closed. And the 60.74 was door closed, window down on dash. So my musical average is only like in the high 50s, but my burp is in the 60s average. So I guess I'm doing pretty good. Done a lot of testing. As you can see in the picture, I've been doing 45s, raised my tuning a little bit, added to the sealed side. Can't play into the teens anymore, but can still go authority down to about 24 Hertz. And I'll be sure to put more videos up in the next few weeks as I progress, as well as give y'all some demos for do some hair tricks and give some demos at some car shows when we do some upcoming weeks. So appreciate y'all watching. If y'all have any questions, let me know. I'm available to comment and give y'all some ideas, maybe if you're working your own build. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate the subscriber. Check out my official Jacob Vial merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vial, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.